Hi, I'm Florin Lazurca, and I want to introduce you to Venafi Dev Central. Dev Central is the place for developers to consume machine identities as code. Venafi Dev Central is found at developer.venafi.com. It's also on the Developers tab on docs.venafi.cloud, so you can access it both directly or from within the TLS Protect Cloud UI. This leverages the same single sign-on and populates your API key. More on that later. As a new user on Dev Central, you can quickly search for specific functions. Let's say I'm interested in retiring an expired certificate. Let's try a simple API. My first example is a GET request for the details of any certificate matching a specific field. I want to check my TLS Protect Cloud inventory for any certificate with a common name of machineid.wont. When I hit try it, I see results right away, and you can see the corresponding certificates in the TLS Protect Cloud UI. My second example is running an operation on a certificate through the API. In this post request, I'll need the UUID of a certificate that I want to retire. I simply copy and paste the UUID of one of the certificates and retire it. You can see in the response that this certificate's status is retired. Dev Central and TLS Protect Cloud are linked, so your API key is automatically populated for a truly frictionless experience. Now I want to write some logic around my API. Dev Central provides a list of options to consume the operations in the language of your choice in your IDE. Recipes are Venafi-provided standalone scripts that can be used to automate daily tasks. They're predefined examples of how our Cloud APIs are being used in automating operations. For example, I want to not only check my inventory for expired certificates, but also retire and delete them all in one script. Looking at my TLS Protect Cloud UI, I have several stale certificates with no installations. I could manually retire and delete these, but it's much faster to do it programmatically. This recipe runs in Python and can instantly retire and delete all my expired certificates. All I have to do is add my API key. Lastly, you can easily share a specific API with your team using the Share Link feature. The link will bring your team to Dev Central and show them the request, and they can try it using their own API key. Try Dev Central today and automate an operation you don't want to do manually in the UI.